Welcome. Thank you for checking out Camping World of Burlington. I have for you today the 2015 Keystone Hideout 28BHSWE. This unit is a wood frame corrugated aluminum side wall constructed travel trailer with one super slide out. Let's check out some of the exterior storage compartment areas. On your non-camp side, have your pass-through storage compartment. Pound test, hard, coming out. You have manual stabilization. All four corners going towards the rear. Your black and gray tank pulls, as well as an additional gray tank for the kitchen. Gray tank pull for the kitchen. Access to storage. We'll get to that on the inside, but access to storage under the bottom bunk from the exterior that is lockable. Of course, you got that Keystone walkable roof, so you have a ladder leading up to your roof. 30 amp power supply, city water connection. Let's go ahead and head inside and take a look at some interior features. Before we do, you do have an outside shower with hot and cold water, black tank flush, as well as 110 outlet for power in case you want to have a television outside and enjoy your powered awning. As we head in, you notice your oversized grab handles makes accessing the trailer very easy. This turn around. Starting in the rear of the travel trailer, you do have a double over double bunk space. Of course, with this being a 2015 unit, they used the mattresses quite up, so you definitely have to find something else to replace it. We don't have replacement mattresses for this unit. AC controls. You have access to storage underneath the interior part of the double bunk on the outside section of it that does fold up to allow you access to additional storage from the outside. Right here we have your restroom, which is actually pretty sizey for this size of a travel trailer. We're going to do our commode test. So I'm 6'3", I have plenty of leg room as well as plenty of shoulder room on this commode. The shower does have a bit of a tub to it. Getting in it, again at 6'3", inside of the skylight, it's pretty tight, but it is doable for the size and space. Here we have your sink and medicine cabinet. Nice size, decent storage. I don't know if you noticed, there is a door to access the exterior. This does give you an avenue for guests to come in, or kids to come in, use the restroom really quick, hop back out without having to travel through the rest of the travel trailer, as we see here. So we'll start right next to the restroom. You have your kitchen area, starting out with storage. A lot of hanging wardrobe storage space. Some drawers for some knickknacks. Your LP sensor, so LP gas sensor. Fuse breakers and switches. Pantry storage. Right next to your RV fridge, powered off both propane and electric. We move down to your 3-burner cooktop, oven, hood vent, microwave. This travel trailer does have a single AC unit up top, so you can see here, and those are plumbed through AC vents through the ceiling, here, here, and in the bedroom as well. But moving down through the kitchen, plenty of overhead storage. This is a pass-through compartment, so it goes all the way through. Pretty handy. 2-bay sink. Residential faucet. Additional storage. Utensils. Access to your hot water heater. Of course, you do see this PEX plumbing that is very similar to your residential style plumbing. Keystone Hideouts come with central vac systems, so you make easy cleanup of your unit. So we come around to the side of the kitchen. We have your controls for your slides, awnings, system monitors, gas heaters, electric heater. Right next to your front door, additional USBs, as well as 12-volt charging, light outlets, light switches. Then across from the kitchen, let's go and look over to the dining area as well as the sofa area. We have the Hideout's U-shaped dinette. You can notice all the windows on this slide out give a lot of natural light. This table is free floating, which means that it can move anywhere in the travel trailer or outside, or fold up and fit inside the middle of this area to form a bed of this U-shaped dinette. You have storage on both sides of the U-shaped dinette. Storage underneath there. The back portion is actually also an ottoman on wheels that can also move around, be sat in front of the couch with the cushion on top. It's a leg rest, something that only the Keystone Hideouts do, which is actually a very cool feature, even on a 2015 travel trailer. Let's get this table back. Next we have your sofa / pull-out bed with storage right above. And as a bed, we'll go ahead and pull this out for you. This setup's actually pretty easy. Sofa over, sofa over. One-handed. And now at the very front of the travel trailer, you have your master bedroom with sliding partitions just for privacy. On the other side, now this is a swivel mount that sits right up here. I do not know if that's something that we'll be able to repair. I think we will be able to repair it and get it back situated. There's a mirror on one side and an area where you can mount a television on the other. It would sit right here and swivel around. As you can see, your outlets and your cable connections. Again, this is a pre-owned unit. This is how we received it, but I would definitely find out for you. Coming in, you have your wardrobes. They did build in some shelving systems in here, the previous owner. So you have your pass-through storage and then the wardrobe on the opposite side. This unit does have storage under the bed as well. And there we have it. I did miss some elements of the entertainment center, some storage above, and your radio unit. I would definitely have to check on what would be done for that center area. But all in all, this is a very clean unit. As far as, it's not physically clean because it has not been detailed yet. We just got it in a little while ago, but it is a sturdy, very nice unit. Just needs a little TLC and someone to take it home. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for taking the time to check it out. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to let me know. I have no idea how that door just got open. Let's try it. Thank you again. The 2015 Keystone Hideout 28BHSWE.